Now, fresh trouble for edtech unicorn Byju's. As per a Bloomberg report, lenders have called off negotiations to restructure Byju's $1.2 billion loan. Lenders had moved a Delaware court accusing the company of burying over $500 million of the raised capital. Aishwarya standing by now with the details. Aishwarya, what does this mean for Byju's? Fresh trouble?
Yes, it's a big blow to Byju's. Lenders have called off the talks to recast the $1.2 billion loan shortly after they moved a Delaware court, accusing Byju's Alpha, the company's U.S. arm, of hiding $500 million. Lenders have said that they can now sell the term loan B securities of the firm as the restraint that came as part of the negotiations is lifted. When CNBC-TV18 reached out to Byju's on the recent development, it refused to issue a comment. However, the firm has denied these allegations and asserted that it did not violate any part of the agreement with the lenders and fulfilled its payment obligations. In a statement to CNBC-TV18 last week, the company said, and I quote, "As Byju's Alpha is a non-operative entity, the funds were transferred to other operative entities for growth and expansion in its global operations. Byju's entered into the term loan B agreement with the clear intention of utilizing the raised funds to drive growth and expansion in its global operations and is free to transfer and use the funds as necessary." End quote. Byju has been trying to appease lenders with repayments and higher coupons to restructure the loan. That's since the company delayed filing its FY21 results by 18 months. Byju's has to make an interest payment on the loan by June 5th. To repay the loan, Byju's has been trying to raise $1 billion in structured debt and equity. Earlier this month, the edtech giant had raised funding of $250 million in debt from U.S. investment firm Davidson Kempner and is still awaiting the remaining $700 million. Byju's has also seen valuation markdowns at the hands of select U.S.-based investors since last year. On May 31st, BlackRock, the minority investor, cut Byju's valuations for the second time since October to $8.4 billion. The company's current valuation stands at $22 billion. Back to you.
Aishwarya, many thanks.